Welcome to Alpha Motor Corporation, an electric vehicle company from California with a vision to accelerate innovation for humanity. Today, we are unveiling the stunning, pure electric Wolf utility truck. Wolf, which represents balance, endurance and freedom, is positioned as a fun multi-purpose truck for 2 passengers with a spacious cargo bed on an electric platform, combining versatile driving performance, durability and clean power. It comes in a 4-wheel drive or front-wheel drive system with a towing capacity of 1,360 kilograms, 3,000 pounds. The Wolf can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds. The vehicle is intended to be equipped with a 75 to 85 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery with an estimated 275 miles of range. Wolf also features several advanced interior features, including a driver-centric digital speedometer, a digital center display, ergonomically bolstered seating, multi-layered center console storage. Wolf demonstrates the range and versatility of the Alpha Ace product line and is designed for consumers looking for a solid 4-wheel drive utility truck without the carbon emissions. You can now make an online reservation for the Wolf by going to alphamotorinc.com, where you will find a selection for the Wolf electric truck. Thank you.